The portable WeldCore 4 site equipment is modular in design, assisting setup on site. Once the base module has been set up and lightly secured, the spacing bar is removed and the spindle and multiple drive units placed in position and base secured. The welding unit control module is secured onto the spindle. Hydraulic piping, power and communication cables are connected between the welding unit and control station. Once the surface of the application site has been established, multiple facing operations are performed to the required geometry. On completion of the facing operations, the boss is placed into the spindle unit for rotary friction welding onto the component and the automatic weld program setup. The automatic weld program is run to rotary friction weld the boss onto the component. The weld cycle is completed with a rapid stop and application of a forge load for a specified period of time. The boss welding process is complete and the platform removed. Applications for the completed boss weld include hot taps, for creating tap-off junctions for steam lines, or installation of a thermocouple boss for temperature monitoring.